It's the holidays. Boom! Yeah, I've kind of mashed them all together, so come take a look. Every year, we decorate for Halloween, really cool, elaborate decorations, and guess what? No one comes. No one knocks, we don't give out candy, there's no one on our street. It is very depressing and also seems like a waste to have all these incredible decorations, and we've never really gotten it together to have a Halloween party. So what I decided to do this year was mash all the holidays together in a Nightmare Before Christmas kind of way and put Halloween, Thanksgiving, Hanukkah, and Christmas all together in one fell swoop. So I'm going to walk you through and see what we've done here, and then I'll show you kind of the tweaks that we're going to do for Christmas time. So the entryway is this really cool, snowy, glittery mountain of pumpkins, and they all have lights in them. And then we framed it with snowflakes, more pumpkins, little trees. But if you look at the snowflakes, you're gonna see that some of them are spiders and some of them are pumpkin faces, which is for Halloween, but that will get turned over into a more Christmassy look after Thanksgiving. So this is the spooky tree area, and you can see each holiday has its own tree. So we've got Christmas, we've got Halloween, we've got Hanukkah, and we've got Thanksgiving. Not necessarily in order, but everyone's got their own light. So the idea is to light up the tree that it's the holiday going on right now. But I kind of like them all lit, so I lit them all so you can see. Not much decor in here, but just a little pop of some spiderweb pillows and some fancy pumpkins in the salon. So here is the family room. Amazing garland. I mean, Nicole and Rachelle really outdid themselves this year. This is just amazing. I love that all the fall berries are kind of mixed in with the skulls and the Halloween items. And then you can see we already have our trees up, which I love, but they are very Halloween themed, and you can see the lights on them are orange, and that's gonna change. So for Christmas, this will all change into stockings, and the light colors will change, and some of the spiders and things will turn into more Christmassy Nightmare Before Christmas items. But you gotta see our snake. So there's the Christmas eating snake eating up one of our trees. Bad snake. And then you can see like these snowflakes here will be changed over into more Christmassy ones. But isn't it cool? I mean, look at the feathers and the pumpkins and the balls. It's just so fun. I love having our trees up for months and months and months. I have to be honest though, Katerina is not happy at all with any of this setup. She really doesn't like the movie. I did not know this before I planned this. And she's such a Christmas girl that she feels like Christmas needs its own moment. So this may have been a little bit of a fail as far as she's concerned, but I don't know, I thought it was something different, something cool to do. Let me show you the crafts. So we've traded in our usual flowers for this really cute little Halloween-y display. And then up on our island, this is where we have all the crafts. So once again, this is all of our fall Halloween crafts, and then after Thanksgiving, it'll turn into Christmas crafts. Now, I don't know who's gonna do crafts this year. Last year, Nikki was like, absolutely not. He was totally out, no crafts at all. Max did nothing, and Kat begrudgingly did them with me, and Coco was happy. So this year, I don't know. I just don't know what's gonna happen. But tonight, I'm planning on doing a bunch of these things, and Max said that she was interested in making some of the cookies, so here's hoping. But it's fun. One of my favorite things about the holidays is sitting and making crafts with the kids, whether it's making cookies or doing these kinds of crafts. I absolutely love it. The really challenging thing is finding crafts to keep them engaged as they're getting older. I have to say, the one thing I'm so thankful about still is that they'll all wear the matching Christmas pajamas. Okay, maybe I shouldn't talk too soon, you never know. They are 16 now, but I think they'll still wear them, I hope. So we have the monster cloches, and here's all the goodies to make them back here. And then we have some treat making. So here we have peanut butter spider cookies. So we always have a picture of what they're supposed to look like. By the way, ours never look like this, but it's really fun to make anyway. And all the ingredients are inside, except for the ones that need to be refrigerated, which are in the back fridge. Then we have some cauldron slime. So as all of you know, that will be being made in the garage. You know how I feel about slime, but they love it. And then we're making these really cool skeleton gingerbread men. I mean, this is really so easy to do. This is just a gingerbread man and taking your icing and making a little skeleton on it. So fun. These are our plant monsters. We had these last year and we were supposed to decorate them and stuff, but I love the way they look so much, and Katarina loves the show Little Shop of Horrors, and we just saw it up at Pasadena Playhouse, so I thought it'd be fun to just use them as decoration. Now, here's Heather's potion making, as you can see. So, worm's wort, deadly nightshade, fog juice, all these little mixers, and obviously, none of this is alcoholic. This is all sodas and waters and juices, but it's really fun to let them become mixologists and play with it and just see what the colors are and the taste. And like I said, anything to get the family together and laughing is the best part of the holidays. If you remember, I turned all of our kids into Pac-Man people. So the one little decoration we do downstairs are these really cute Pac-Man pumpkins along the wall in the kids' playroom. Like I said, the real magic happens at night. Watch this.